Welcome to question bank. Today's question is, let y of n denotes the convolution of h of n and g of n, where h of n is equal to half to the power n u of n and g of n is a causal sequence. If y of 0 is equal to 1 and y of 1 is equal to half, then g of 1 is equal to what? This is the question, and here we will do the convolution formula. So in case of convolution for the continuous function, what we know, the formula is y of t is equal to x1 of t convolution x2 of t. If this one, the formula will be x of t into x2 of t minus tau d tau, and tau will be equal to minus infinity to infinite. So this is the formula for a continuous function, but in this case the functions are given discrete. So what will be the discrete formula? Formula, suppose y of n in square bracket is equal to, the integration will be changed to the summation k of k minus infinity to infinity, fully similar h of n minus k into g of k. This is the formula. Why I am using h and g? Here the given functions are h and g. So here this will be here for this question, this will be minus k 0 to infinite h of n minus k into g of k. Why here 0, k from 0? Because here given h of n is to be half to the power n u of n. As here u of n is multiplied, this will be only defined in the positive half cycle, in positive half, in first quadrant. So here we will apply both this is the formula, and what are the two conditions are given? What are these? These are y of 0 is equal to 1 and y of 1 is equal to half. We will apply both the conditions. First we will apply this one, y of 1 is equal to half. Y of 1 is equal to half. So what will be the case? Y of 1 is equal to half. What is this? Y of 1 can be written as k from 0 to 1, because y of 1 h 1, this is n minus k, n is here, n is equal to 1, so n minus k, that means 1 minus k, g of k. Here all the brackets will be square bracket, so this will be two terms. For k is equal to 0, one term, and another will be k equal to 1. So for k is equal to 0, what will be this? h of 0, 1 minus 0. So this will be h of 1 into g of 0 plus h of 0 into this one term for 1, k equal to 1, g of 1. So this will be, so we know that this is half is equal to h of 1 is half, because here given h of n is equal to half to the power n. For n is equal to 1, this will be half. So half into g of 0, we don't know what is the value, plus h of 0. What will be h of 0? This will be 1 into g of 1. This here we get first this equation, and in this equation this one is the question question is asking for this one and we don't know this one. G of 0 we don't know, so we have to calculate G of 0 from the first condition. What is the first condition given? First condition is given here, y of 0 is equal to 1. So we will apply that one. Y of 0 is equal to 1. Y of 0 is equal to 1. Y of 0 is equal to 1. So what will be y of 0? What will be y of 0? This will be summation from k is equal to 0, because here this will be one term, only one term. Here n will be 0, so minus k into g of k. So this will be h of 0 into g of 0. This is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to h of 0 means half to the power 0. This is 1 into g of 0. So g of 0 we are getting, g of 0 we are getting 1. So we will put this term in the equation we are getting here. Here we will put this one here. So what we will get? What we will get? Half is equal to half into g of 0 is 1. What we have get? Plus 1 into g of 1. So what will be g of 1? G of 1 will be half minus half, which is equal to 0. 0. Answer is 0. This is very easy question and only needs the calculation and the convolution formula for the discrete function. So this is the end of this topic.